Want to make your Christmas tree the star of the show? Follow these steps for a tree that dazzles. First, choose your base, real or artificial. Real trees bring that authentic pine scent, but artificial ones are reusable and mess-free. Just make sure it fits your space. Setting up is next. For real trees, trim the base and place it in a water-filled stand. For artificial ones, assemble, then fluff those branches. Now let's light it up. Use LED string lights, starting from the top and spiraling down. Test them first to avoid any mishaps. Time for garlands and ribbons. Start from the top, draping down for a balanced look. Remember, less is more. Ornaments come next. Hang larger ones deeper for depth, smaller ones on the edges. Even distribution is key. Top it off with a star, angel, or bow. Secure it well. Don't forget the tree skirt to hide the stand and set the stage for presents. Finally, add personal touches with handmade or heirloom decorations. Safety first. Keep the tree away from heat sources and turn off lights when unattended. There you have it. Enjoy decorating and happy holidays.